Wanna see you with it, sure could treat you right.
Welcome back to
Give
A-Man.
me
Today
just a
I'm joined
minute
with Robert
of
Higgins of
your
Witt
time
Machine,
tonight. We
Suppressors.
both are here to have big fun, so let it rip.
What is the Mozambique? Motherfucker, am I looking at you? I know he looks like you, but he ain't.
That bitch in the creek hit the spot, it's 100 a piece. I went flawless, my teeth diamond, boy, this shit wet as a sand. That boy dumb in the beat, if he reach, I'ma go to the D. Let's be real, Stevie wanted to see that I'm having this shit and I'm flu. I was caught every week, I can't sign it, I can't shoot the beat. Plus I touch ADK every week,
Make sure he's safe, efficient, accurate.
on my son, you should slide every week. Ever shot out a G when I done so them niggas to see who it was, just to see if they straight. Get put on the T on the net, trying to act like you gangster. I got enough friend for the fiend. Bitch, you know I'm a G, I got killers come straight out the east. They pull up on the horse with a snitch. I'm looking for
Rover, Red Rover, send bullets right over.
but I know we're OG for the chick. But I still gotta know I ain't going for nothing. You think that I'm Captain Machine?
Wanna see you with it, sure could treat you right. Give me just a minute of your time tonight. We both are here to have big fun, so let it rip.
We are back, and it's day 2 at North 40 Gun Club in Denison, Texas, out with Robert Higgins and the Witt Machine crew. Back here, we got a bunch of guys jamming up mags, and we're getting ready to shoot some carbine, so stay tuned for more.
I forgot the coffee.
So Robert, thanks so much for having me out.
You didn't give me cancer. I appreciate that you're here.